So this is James, KG5PTE from Belton, Texas. Friday, August 12th, 2022. Okay, fellow hams, let's talk about reactance and impedance and ohms and metal objects and lobes and radiation patterns and how different dynamics affect antennas. So here's a profile of my very small backyard. Not very big. And that belongs to the city of Belton, that fence over there, and that goes over there to the water tower. So we got a big old water tower here. And then we got a VHF, UHF antenna right here. And then we got another little VHF antenna here, and another VHF antenna here, and an HF Gap Titan 2DX here, okay? And then we got a Rowan 25 tower with a diamond 2-meter 440 on it. GMRS vertical and a CB 10-meter base antenna at the top. And then we have a HF MFJ 1982 MP wire antenna running right here. Runs up to the top of the tower there. Actually, it goes over here. Actually, let's do this again. It comes from over there, comes up to the tree, goes up to the tower up there, comes back around down here, and ends up way over there. And then we got some more antennas over here, 10-meter and 6-meter and Yagis. And then we got Dacron rope, and we got some metal guy wires. All right, so, and we got a little disc cone antenna over there. So let's discuss antennas and the science of antennas. And from a scientific engineering point of view, how all of these antennas and wires in a small backyard with a water tower and a fence and metal objects all react with one another, and how it affects transmission radio patterns and even receive patterns. So thank you very much. Have a good day.